Dectera walks on the height, red is her raiment, 40 heifers white. For the brooch on her bosom bright, for the round brooch beaten and light, were given in payment. On the walls of the dun on the height she walks, she waits in the night, red is her raiment. Her veil is as white as the snow, there is gold on its border, there is bright gold clasping the flow of her locks to the girdle. Herrings row upon row, and pearls in order, but the tears are ever aflow under the veil like snow with the golden border. Pride of her race and name was her undoing, once only and never since. Only once came the prince that way a-wooing. Pride of her royal name made her cold when he came. Pride of her father's fame was her undoing. Gersha dwells in the valley, grey is her gown, her hut's mid heather brown of birch and sally, was woven as round to see as the hive of a golden bee, and looking kind was she as he rode to the valley. Up at the door of the dun, in the mists of the morning, Dectera walks until noon, watches till rise of the moon, waits for him late and soon in her gay adorning. But over the curve of her mien, her face grows mournful and thin, and the eyes that he might not win have lost their scorning. He dwells with his soul's delight, her love he's earning, kept in her cottage white, while lonely and long in the night, Dectera watches the light of their hearth fire burning, and through the sorrowful years, with passion, petitions, and tears, she waits, but no sign appears of the prince returning.